So you open terminal, ran Nmap, saw a few open port, and now you think you're a hacker? Welcome to the first phase of hacker evolution. But today, we're not just flexing with Nmap in front of friends. We're diving into the real tools hackers use and roasting each stage of journey along the way. Yo, welcome to HackerX. This is your crash course into cybersecurity tools, explained with real talk and a sprinkle of trauma from CDF. Ran a script from GitHub, copied a payload, and it somehow worked. Told your friend you hacked the Wi-Fi because you ran Airmon NG. Congratulations, you're a script kiddie in the making. Welcome. Now let's break the illusion and talk about the actual tools you'll need if you are serious. Section 1. The I feel powerful phase. Number 1. Nmap. The OG, the hacker's handshake. First time running Nmap and getting open port. I have the power. Reality? You just found an open printer port in your college lab. Nmap-SV port 22 is open. Guess I own NASA now. Number 2. Who is an NS lookup? You ask a domain. Who are you really? Good for recon, but let's be honest. You used it once, screenshotted it, and felt like a god. Section 2. Now, the how is everything vulnerable phase. Nikto. You pointed at a website and boom, 90 vulnerabilities in red text. You say that this site is dying. Reality? Those are just headers, bro. Number 4. Burp Suite. The tool every beginner once opens, gets scared, and closes. Then watch 6 tutorials, breaks a login form, and uploads a video on YouTube. But for real, Burp is the tool for web hacking. Intercept requests, modify them, exploit logic. And yes, there's a free version too. You don't need to mortgage your kidney for a pro yet. Section 3. The shell or be shelled phase. Metasploit, where 99% of script kiddies are born. You launch MSF console, see the ASCII dragon logo, and think you've reached enlightenment. This must be what Batman feels like. But then, the payload doesn't work. The exploit crashes and you're googling Metasploit not working, please fix. Netcat, simple, deadly. Like the quietest guy in the anime who defeats the villain in one move. Listen on a port, send a reversal, catch it like a Pokemon. Use it to chat with yourself when you have no friends. Just me? Okay. The why won't this password crack phase. John the Ripper. You throw a 20 MB hash file at it and walk away like it's baking cookies. 6 hours later, still cracking. John is slow, but he doesn't give up. Like the one guy who still plays Clash of Clans. Hydra. Brute forces logins at speed. Bro, I'm hacking this login form. Rate limited in 3 attempts. You. Why does nothing work like in Mr. Robot? Section 5. The I see everything phase. Wireshark, the most powerful tool you'll pretend to understand. You start it, packets fly by, you scroll endlessly, you feel powerful, you have no idea what's happening. Wireshark is like tea leaves. Technically you can read it, but you still don't know what it means. The last phase, the I automate everything phase. Python plus print tools. This is the moment you go from script kid to a baby hacker. You write your first exploit in your Python and it actually works. You scream, you cry, you tweet it, you become unbearable for the next 24 hours. There are hundreds of tools in cybersecurity, but these 10 are your best friends when starting out. But remember this, using Metasploit doesn't make you a hacker. Understanding the system you're exploiting, that does. Drop a comment with your favorite tool or meme moment from your hacking journey. Subscribe if you ever felt powerful after running Nmap, because we've all been there, bro. When you finally exploit a real bug after weeks of crying over Burp Suite settings.
Certified hacker moment.